In the food industry, unreliable refrigeration can lead to significant losses. The consequences: spoiled food, higher energy costs, reduced reliability, lost revenue, and costly downtime. Your profitability and your sustainability goals melt away. Don't let that happen. Your production deserves better than that. What if one of the smallest components could make the biggest difference? Kluber Lubrication offers specialty lubricants that enhance the efficiency and reliability of your refrigeration compressors and reduce the downtime of your production. Our lubricants are a small investment with a big impact. They bring down rising energy costs and reduce unplanned maintenance. Our Kluber Energy Efficiency Solution is compliant with IPMVP, ensuring you achieve your sustainability KPIs. Others claim, we prove. Our lubricants have a proven impact on reducing costs and enhancing sustainability. Discover the difference a smarter lubricant can make.